Today I will be demoing Learning Navigator. It's a patent pending online tool that provides a Google Maps like experience for learning. It is agnostic to subjects, it is agnostic to the implementation. So it can be used for practically any learning scenario, whether offline or online or hybrid, and for any kind of subject, whether it is K-12 or it is skilling or it is in-house training or it is for public training. Before we dive deep, let me explain how Navigator works. The Navigator first locates the student's current knowledge and skills. The student selects their learning destination. The Navigator provides a personalized learning pathway that fills the gap in the student's learning. Navigator makes reroute suggestions based on student performance to reinforce concepts where the student may be weak. Let's see this in action using maths. Student wants to learn math. They establish their credentials, and the navigator uses the student's prior performance from school system or a diagnostic tool test to determine a first approximation of the student's current knowledge and skills across different domains of math. We refer to the line connecting the highest competency across domains of concepts in math as the student's skyline, and this is the crux of the entire computation and entire prediction that we do across the tool. Let's take a minute to understand this. The domains of study in math are on the x-axis. This can be any domain in any subject. The y-axis represents increasingly complex nature of the concepts from math 5 to 6 to 7 onwards. The xy space includes all the concepts in the student needs to learn about maths. We use only three states to describe a student's proficiency in a concept. Dark blue indicates that they have mastered the concept. Light blue indicates that they are studying the concept, and gray indicates they have not started studying the concept. The thick white line is the student skyline, which indicates their highest competency in which they have mastery across domains. Student can establish their learning destination, say Math 7. The navigator indicates with a black high line all the competencies necessary for Math 7. The student can review the competencies associated with Math 7 and ask for directions. Navigator presents the students with a personalized pathway. The topics covered in the pathway are unique to every student. These topics fill the gaps in learning between their current skyline and the chosen destination, that is the high line for Math 7. Student can now begin to navigate through their learning journey using curated learning activities that can include web pages, videos, interactives, as well as offline tasks such as collaborative projects and team presentations. These learning activities can not only build curriculum knowledge, but can also develop non-cognitive skills. Student takes a formative assessment on the concept they just learned. She scores 66% and she suggested a reroute to further strengthen her concept. Student studies using additional resources and is offered to retake the assessment. These suggestions are also automatically made using our algorithms. Student studies using additional resources and is offered to retake the assessment. This time the student performs exceedingly well and is presented with an opportunity to earn badge to establish their mastery of the concept. Student is presented with a final assessment to establish mastery. They answer a few more questions, perform well, and earn a badge. Now their skyline bumps up. At any point during her journey, The student can click on the progress bar to locate themselves. In terms of their performance, the 86%, in terms of their proficiency and the progress in their journey. So this is the learning path that the student has gone through. At Compute Complex Numbers, it was diagnosed that the student needs to learn more about solving equations, and during solving equations we determined that he also needs to learn how to determine constraints, and that is why the student was made reroute and reroute suggestions, and this rerouting can keep on happening till the student gets to his final destination. The navigator turns current educational approaches inside out. It starts with a deep understanding of where each student is in their learning, and then it provides students with unique learning pathways designed just for them. Students can reflect on their progress and performance and get to their learning goals using personalized pathways. That's it for now. Thank you.